you ever been to Vietnam? Vietnamese students are busy and but funny. Hello everyone, I am Minh Khuê. Today I will talk about Vietnamese students. My life as a Vietnamese student is busy and happy and fun. First, let's talk about a good side. My teachers help my life easier. My teacher have game in class. I feel happy when I play game with friends and my teacher. But every student has this problem. A difficult problem is when I don't do homework, so teacher nag at me. It makes I feel worried. Next time, I will finish my homework before class. This problem can help me hardworking and brave. That's everything I want to say. What about you? How you feel when you grow up? Thank you for listening. Goodbye.